Hello, my name is Scott Roan with Clean Air Consultants. Today we're going to be talking about the Filter 1 HWF 225 motor out after filter stainless steel for a very special application. This unit is designed for a food grade application where they can dump directly to their wastewater system. Like a traditional HWF, you would turn on the manual fill switch, make sure the water's on, and this unit would fill to satisfy the float switch in here. This particular unit has an extra large water valve so that it can add clean water faster because we have this 2-inch dump valve on the bottom of the hopper that allows quite a bit of water to exit when it's time to dump or polish the tank. Again, this unit will be tied with the auxiliary contacts to the other machine creating the dust. Again, in this case, a food grade dust that can go directly to the drain. Another feature of this unit is the after filters. Again, because this dust is really fine, they wanted to capture whatever fines were making it through the water scrubber. The way we would know if the water is high or low or the filters are dirty is, again, we have a single light on the control panel door. It flashes slow for high water, which is 2 seconds on, 1 second off. It flashes fast for low water, which is a ½ second on, 1 second off. And on this particular unit, it's not a shutdown on the HEPA after filters, but an alarm on the HEPA after filters. So the light will flash very rapidly, 1/2 second on, 1/2 second off when your after filters are getting dirty. This particular unit is shipped with a 95% after filter. Here's the control box for this unit, the manual water fill, the on-off button, the alarm light, and the shutdown light. And this extra button is the manual dump switch. The way this unit operates, when the unit is running, a clock or this button will perform a tank polish, where again, it'll add fresh water, it'll dump the dirty water, and it'll add fresh water. This just polishes the tank. It doesn't get the water completely clean, but there's enough new water and old water removal that the tank will stay at a continuous level of acceptable concentration. There's 3 ways for the unit to polish. There's 2 ways for the tank to dump. The 3 ways for the unit to polish are the cumulative timer, which is currently set for once an hour, the 24-hour clock, which if it initiates while the unit's running, you get a polish cycle out of it, and the manual switch, which if the unit is running, you'll get a polish out of it. When the unit's off, there's 2 ways to get it to dump. Again, the 24-hour clock, if it initiates while the unit is off, the tank will dump and refill. If the unit is off and you want to dump it and leave it dry, you turn the manual switch to off and you hit the manual dump when the unit is not running, and the tank will empty and stay empty so that again, it doesn't take that long. 7 or 8 minutes, someone can either maintain the unit, or if you leave that shift, at the start of the next shift, they can come in and wash this thing down. A couple of other features on this particular unit to accomplish the water polishing are the extra large freshwater valve, which again would be adding water at city pressure, and the 2-inch electronic valve on the bottom of the hopper, which dumps to the drain, and again, it's a gravity feed drain. So the extra large valve fills the unit faster than our normal 1/2-inch valve, and the 2-inch valve at the bottom allows a gravity dump to the drain whether the unit's running or not running. We have 2 MagnaHelix on this unit. One is the traditional MagnaHelix that shows the scrubber pressure across the scrubber, and this MagnaHelix is used to give you an indication of the static pressure across the after filters. So again, if you get a light, or you can always walk by and monitor your after filter pressure on this MagnaHelix. Again, we're talking about the HWF 225 motor out stainless steel after filter.
For more information, contact Filter 1 at 1-800-289-0189 or filter-1.com.